The most famous, I would say, is mathematician, physicist and author, Professor Stephen Hawking. I'm sure you've seen him on, what's that show called? Yeah, hurry up, you cold. It was a bit cold, I promise you. Okay, I'll skip over famous people. What I will say is that all funds that we raise today, and there are a couple of buckets still in the rounds, so make sure we'll put into a couple of bits of money. All funds that we raise today are going directly to MND Australia and its research arm, MND Research Institute of Australia. So, having said that, I'd like to thank you all for your generosity and digging deep. Now, can I have all my volunteers over here, please? I think first cab off the rank will be Mr. David Crombie. So, David, can I have you front and centre? I like the get-up. Now, the idea of this challenge is that you actually challenge someone back. So, I will hand the microphone over to you to challenge someone, and then we'll have some more report over you.
My helper Claire is going to pour the water, and I've agreed with my family on challenging my 3 daughters that are still at home, Julia, Penelope and Jane Lee.
Give me a hand, folks. Thanks, David. I've got my list numbered here, so next cab off the rank is Kim Chow. Kim, thank you very much for volunteering, you yourself and a lot of your guys. Have you got anyone to nominate?
I nominate JJ when she comes back.
JJ's done then. Good woody. Is there any volunteers who would like to tip a bucket over Kim? It might cost you. Any volunteers?
Can we nominate someone to do it?
You can nominate someone.
I'll nominate Ronnie to tip a bucket. Yeah.
Ronnie? Yeah.
Hold on. That guy's in Korea, that's it.
Actually, I've got Ronnie on my list. Is he not doing it?
Yeah,
Ronnie, are you in? Okay, Kenny, you're up, mate. Next up is Kenneth Chu. Any words, mate?
I nominate Guy Long and re-nominate Ronnie Canary.
Any volunteers? Anyone want to tip a bucket over Kenny? He can do it himself if he likes.
alright, sorry. Sorry again. No worries, mate.
Next up, Andrew Richmond. He's been here for at least half an hour waiting for us, so Andrew, any words? Who wants 2 buckets? Can you get 2 buckets with?
I'm going to be nominating our soccer coach when I get back. Cheers.
Soccer coach, you've copped it.
Like my two favourite testers, Lisa Tillman and Eva Root.
And do they do it today? Well, can I make a suggestion? Seeing as he's nominated you guys, would you like to tip the bucket over him? Fair enough, who else is going to do it?
Fair enough. You bend down, hang on. There it is.
Alright. You know how you told me to hurry up, Suzanne? Klaus, you're up next, mate. Klaus Andreasen. What have you got to say in English?
I'll nominate my nephew Asker for being cheeky all year on Facebook, and Simon Gallant from DCP2 for organizing an Autist this weekend.
Alright, team speak. Any volunteers? Anyone from Klaus's team who actually wants to tip a bucket of them? Okay, we've got one coming around. Klaus's boss, of course.
My pleasure. He can't get up that high. Bring it on, boss.
Go with it. Okay, Suze, you're up. Next up is my favourite Irish woman, Susanna David.
I'm nominating my two brothers in Ireland, Tony and Brian, together, please. Karen Tippett in New Zealand, and Jill Tice in the US.
We've gone international, you beauty. Okay, who's tipping the bucket? I'm sure Sando might want to do it. Ah.
Adrian. Go. So dead.
I hope you're pressing out the ticket. Now, I've got one last name, Levine Valenki is our final contestant unless our two missing contestants are here. Oh, you do, of course. Actually, my friend nominated me to do this. He said yes, I'm going to nominate my cricket team, which is out of this standing day. So I'm nominating the whole cricket team. Thank you. That's 11 nominations about your beauty. Just don't forget you need to contribute as well. So we're raising funds for MND. And we want to volunteer from that cricket team. Anyone? All right.
What yours, buddy? Trickle. Slowly. Yeah, good track.
Excellent. Now on this we've got someone else who's turned up ready to go. We'll have our last nominee in George Boulos. People have actually asked me if I was going to do it, and the answer is that I actually was born in the village where this is just a shower, so it doesn't matter. I wouldn't feel it, so but George is one of the instigators of today, and the reason he has instigated today's challenge is that he was touched by MND. His father-in-law suffered from it, and he's passed away a little while ago? A few years ago, so he knows firsthand what the disease can do to you. So thanks, George, for getting it all together.
Thank you, everyone.
Put that in those buckets. So, George, who are you nominating, mate?
I'm going to Nominate, sorry.
I'm going to nominate my wife and my mother-in-law.
Who's walking in the doghouse tonight?
I'm ready.
George, these are from your wife and your mother-in-law.
It's the finale. Excellent. Well, look, I'd like to thank everybody for coming out and having a little fun today. We will rattle those buckets again tomorrow at Gold Coin. The guys who bring the buckets around on a Friday will come around again tomorrow to collect. For your right to wear your casuals, and please support them all year round. We've got we find charities to support every month. So I think so far we've raised in excess of $8,300. And I'm hoping that this month we'll be able to top the $10,000 mark. So thanks everyone for the support, and see you next year.